What? वाहिगुरु 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 श्री वाहेगुरु। अब कलु आयो रे एक नाम हो अब कलु आयो रे एक नाम हो सगन बास कूले एक रहे सुख सुख ढूले सगन बास कूले एक रहे सुख ढूले सगन बास कूले एक रहे सुख ढूले सगन बास
Hare
अब कलुआयो रे एक नाम गो अब कलुआयो रे एक नाम गो अब कलुआयो रे एक नाम गो गुरु प्यारी साध संगत जी, आओ दोनों हाथ जोड़ो, फतेह दी सांझ पाइए, आखो जी वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। चार युग, 4 eras, सतयुग, त्रेता, द्वापर ते कलयुग। Kaljug has been called the era of darkness, and that's the era that we sit in. And Guru Maharaj Ji sanu suchet karte hain that you've come within an era of darkness, but don't lose hope. You don't lose hope, though the fog and mist of Hankar is great. Though minds are clouded because of Trishna and Krodh, that you still have a season. Just like a good farmer recognizes that now is the season to plant the seeds, that I have to put the work in. Man hali karsani, man hali karsani karni. Karni here means bhakti. For a Sikh, they understand that in this yug, sade vasita bhakti banaundi hai. That it becomes of us to do bhakti within this age. So the farmer recognizes that now the time has come, that I should take the seeds and prepare the land, irrigate the land with water, and then plant the seeds, because these seeds must flourish. They must flourish. Well, that's why Maharaj says to us in Basant Rag, and now we are in the season of Basant and in the time of Kaljug. Khalsa ji sade vaste bhi gana hunda that ab kallu aayo re, that recognize that Kaljug aa gaya. Now, when we look to Tan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, and you read Guru Granth Sahib Ji's Pavitra Bani, and you read through, you'll come through Japji Sahib, and then you'll read the first half of Rara Sahib Asodar, and then you continue on and do Kirtan solo, and then you'll notice something. You'll notice that the rags begin. The first rag is Siri Rag, and the first shabd is Moti ta mandar usre, Ratni ta hoye jarao, Kastur kungu agar chandan leep aave chao, Mat dekh pula visre, tere chit na aave nao. That first rag, where was it sung? And who sang it was Tan Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji. In India, there in Sangrur Jilla, in the district of Sangrur, there's a Gurdwara. It's called Gurdwara Nanikayana. If you break it down, it's 2 words. Nanak Ana, meaning that the coming of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. The coming of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, and what happened there. And for those that might feel like, chalo koi Gurdwara hona, koi itihas hona, no. I want you particularly to pay attention, because it'll feed your mind the translation of this shabd. That Guru Nanak Dev Ji came to that Gurdwara in Sangrur called Gurdwara Nanikayana Sahib, and there at Gurdwara Nanikayana Sahib as Guru Nanak Dev Ji was going through the udasiyan, the travels, क्योंकि महाराज जी को तरस आ गया सी, दुनिया के ऊपर तरस आ गया सी that these people are lost, these people are going astray, and now they have the opportunity that God's name is here, and God, they'll realize their true form if that God's name is given to them. Then Guru Nanak Dev Ji with Bhai Mardana and Bhai Bala set forth, going through Ahmedabad, Delhi, Lahore and so forth, and they made their way to this place, Nanakiana. Nanakiana, Gurdwara Nanakiana. A place where even Guru Hargobind Sahib Ji would visit and Guru Gobind Singh Ji would visit after. And I tell you, you should visit as well. Because now I lay forth before you the task. Guru Nanak Dev Ji at that very spot was traveling with Bhai Mardana and Bhai Balaji. And then the wilderness was coming. Trees and so forth were ahead. And what Bhai Mardana saw was something bhayanak, something very frightening. He saw a storm coming. But this was like no other storm that he had laid eyes on before. Because there's weather patterns, you see storms, but this storm was unique, and it was different, and it was the most frightening form that he had ever laid his eyes on. And he said to Guru Maharaj Ji, this is our death. That this is our death. Maharaj Ji said, Kubrana, Mardana, Kubrana. Mardana at that point stopped. He put the rabab on the side and he took a blanket over his head and he hid behind Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Maharaj Ji said, Dekh tamasha jire agge aun lagya. That was a setting for the Khalsa to know that what Guru Nanak Dev Ji was going up against was Kaljug. Kaljug was coming. Kaljug is this era, but now is manifesting into a form to test Guru Nanak Dev Ji. And as Kaljug came, it came as a storm. This wind, Neri Chali, that uprooted trees. It uprooted trees, and it was going all around, and the wind had picked up so much mitti that now a red storm that was going all around, but yet not touching Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Maharaj is absorbed in the name of the Kartar, of the Creator, is the very form of the Creator. And he turns to Bhai Mardana. He says, take your blanket off, Mardana. Take your blanket off. And remember Akal Purkh in this Yug. Kal Yug is coming. Ab kal aayo re, ab kal aayo re, ab kal aayo re, ab kal aayo re, go 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 go, ek naam go go go, ek naam go go go, ek naam go go go. Ab kal aayo re, ab kal aayo re. And Maharaj turns to Bhai Mardana and he says, Dakho Satnam Sri Vaheguru. Take your blanket off, Mardana. Remember the Creator. He's Nirpal Nirvad. He has no fear about what this creation can come and do against him. And he is Nirvad. Khalsa ji ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਬੀਤਦੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਮਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੰਨੀ ਘਬਰਾਹਟ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਆ, anxiety comes and fear comes, and at that time if nothing ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫੁਰਦਾ, then say this, Nirpal Vaheguru, Nirvair Vaheguru, Nirpal Vaheguru, Nirvair Vaheguru. It's a hissa of our Mool Mantar. And as your honsla grows, as you console yourself, now let the Mool Mantra take its full form. Remember, Kartar, the first nishani of Kaljug coming into your heart is fear. It's anxiety. That means Kaljug's coming towards you. And what Maharaji is telling you to do is stand up. Stand up. Take the blanket off your face and stand up and recite God's name, because there's a war that's going to wage. The Haniyari stopped. The storm stopped. And then again, what happens is a fire now comes. A fire rages. And that fire represents something, Khalsa Ji. It goes all across Guru Maharaji. It encircles Guru Maharaji. Char shafere ek aag chali. It raged across Guru Maharaji, but yet didn't touch Guru Nanak Dev Ji. And Bhai Mardana lost his footing again. And he fell to the ground. And he covered his head and he said, Sache Paja ho nahi bachde. Hun ta aag aa gayi. That the fires come now. And Guru Maharaji says, Mardane, kyun dil shadda? If the storm didn't touch us, this fire won't touch us. This fire is Krodh. This fire is Trishna. And Khalsa Ji, it will not touch us. Guru Maharaji gave that assurance to Bhai Mardana. And he says, this is Kaljug. Ut Mardana, aakho Satnam Sri Vaheguru. Vaheguru, 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 Mardana got up. He got up this time and he sees that the fire has settled. Yes, the wilderness is burned all around them, but the fire has settled down. And he got up and there's a new form that Kaljug took. Hail, lightning, darkness enveloped the sky. Lightning is flashing all around and touching the ground. And hail is coming down the size of rocks. But yet again, it doesn't touch Guru Nanak Dev Ji. And Mardana looks and he's still ek aagya mande vich shanka that maybe hun pe there's fear setting in his heart again, and ek paramaya that it will catch us, it will take us away. This lightning is moving closer. There's some koi bala, there's some demon doing something. Odi shakti hai, and I can't face it. Maharaji says, Honsla rakh Mardana, naam jap, naam jap. Vaheguru, 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 He uncovers his face, and now there's no hail. There's no disturbance that you see in your family that comes down on you like hail. It's all settled. What you thought that wouldn't pass has passed as well. But you kept your harmony by saying God's name. That month of hardship, that month of torment has all gone by because you remembered Guru Maharaji in the same way that Bhai Mardana, God is putting back. Khalsa Ji, now it takes up a new form. And this form is unlike anything you have seen in this life. that stands from the ground and as if its head touches the sky, and razor sharp teeth, and it's looking down at Guru Nanak Dev Ji, and it's coming towards Guru Nanak Dev Ji from a distance. And Mardana says to Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Maharaj, it was a demon. And it is a demon that's coming towards us, but it's coming in an awkward fashion. It's coming in an awkward fashion that it has its one hand on its mouth and one hand on its reproductive organ. And Guru Nanak Dev Ji says, Dekh tamasha Mardana, dekh ki tamasha banonda. This is Kaljug. This is Kaljug. And oh Shara Dinda, he's gesturing. That move de naal jehdi ag nikaldi hundi hai, jehdi krodha. And the reproductive organ which is Kam, Krodh, Nagar mo pareya. That's this Kam, Krodh, Kaljug is telling you, Mardania, that it controls 99% of the world just with Kam and Krodh. Kam, Krodh, Dik, Bajr. It Bajr has cement. It's cemented down the world. It's cemented down the world with Kam and Krodh. But Maharaj reminds all of his Gursikhs, जिस तरह करतारपुर दे विच किरसानी सिखाई, नाम बीज संतोख सुहागा रख गरीबी बेस. ये नाम बीज एक कल्लू आया गुरसिखों, अब कल्लू आयो रे, एक नाम बोवो बोवो, 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 अब कल्लू आयो रे, अब कल्लू आयो रे, अब कल्लू आयो रे, अब कल्लू आयो रे. एक नाम बोवो बोवो, एक नाम बोवो बोवो, एक नाम बोवो बोवो. Waheguru, 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 Waheguru. Kaljug is walking towards Guru Nanak Dev Ji and seeing Sache Pasha Gurudev, जिन्हें सारा कलयुग नूं बचाउण, जिन्हें सारे जीवां नूं जिहड़े कलयुग दे विच बचाउण लई आया, ओह गुरु नानक देव, ओह साडा गुरुदेव अडोल स्थिर बैठे हन, क्योंकि हुण कलयुग नमस्कार करन लई आउंदा. ते धन्ना तू सच्चे पातशाह. दूजे तां डोल जांदे आ, everybody else wavers, but you do not waver. You are the Sumer Parvat, and I come before you and do namaskar and say, Sache Pasha, ye mera Raja, you've come within my time. मेरी कोई भेंट अंगीकार करो, मेरी कोई भेंट अंगीकार करो. And he places and he shows my dear image of palaces decorated and studded with jewels. Moti da mandir usre, ratni ta hoy jarao. And these fabulous palaces, he says to Maharaji, inu angikar kar lo. And Maharaji says, mat dekh pula visre, tera chitna aave nao. Mat dekh pula visre, tera chitna aave nao. Mat dekh pula visre, tera chitna aave nao. Tera chitna aave nao. Tera chitna Maharaji says, I'm not going to accept that. And then he brushes it away. And he shows another image to Guru Nanak Dev Ji. And he says, look, I'm Mohaniya Istriya. there's these beautiful women dressed in scantily clothing, and they're gesturing to Guru Nanak Dev Ji. And Maharaj Ji turns away and he says, "Mat dekh poola visre, tera chitna vena." Kalsaji brushes that away. Kaljog takes that image away, just like it's a screen that you can see all the images. He washes it away. Bhai Mridana and Bhai Bala are watching, and he says, "Maharji, kuch to angikar karo." And here, Maharji, I have something else I can offer you. Riddhiya, Siddhiya. Look, if you have this world, and the world doesn't tempt you, then Maharji turns, then above that are these supernatural powers that people corrupt themselves. They gain gatherings of people and they put on displays for them. Oh Riddhiya Siddhiya, oh Sariyan Dikhaiyan. And said that Maharji, apna lo. They take these Riddhiya Siddhiya, these powers that the Siddhs, these powerful groups of yogis have taken from me, and they've gone on the parvats, on the mountains, and they're using them and they've forgotten God. Maharaj says, I say to you the same thing that I've said before, that I don't look towards them. Mat dekh poola visre, tera chitna. Says, Maharji, I have nothing else to offer you. I have nothing more to give. What should I give to you? Kos pe tata mere angikar karo. And he says, Kaljug, there is one thing. There is one thing that for my Gursikhs that get up in those ambrosial hours, in the hours before sunrise, that get up and wash off the mal and maya of the previous day and the previous jokes and the previous janams. For my Gursikhs that do Ishnan and they remember Paramatma, they get down to sit down and they want to join with me in Surat. They want to embrace me by embracing my Shabd. For them, don't come near them. Don't go near them. And for those that remember me during Amrit Mela and carry on throughout the day, don't you dare go near them. Because oh naam kamai karte hai. Let them do naam kamai. And you watch, but you cannot touch them. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਾਮ ਜਪਣ ਦੇ, ਨਾਮ ਜਪਣ ਦੇ। Maharji. Kaljug says, fine, I accept. सच्चे पातशाह यही भेटा था फिर मैं नहीं जाना तोड़े गुर सिखां कोले जिन्हें अमृत वेले उठ दिया and जे वो सारे दिन चेते करनगे मैं नहीं उन्हें कोले जाऊंगा I will not touch them मैं उन्हें को छूऊंगा नहीं and Bhai Mardana says to Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharji दे पीछे कोई सेना दिसदी है Maharji I see an army behind Kaljug where all those images were before of things that he wanted to present to Guru Nanak Dev Ji. He says, I see an army. And he says, ek army hai, Kaljug di. Kaljug, introduce your army. Now, Satsang Ji, ye prasang bahut lamba, par main tenu the first two individuals that he introduced, I want to share with you as an introduction. इतिहास ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਕੂੜ ਸੂਰ ਅੱਗੇ ਵਧਿਆ that what happened is a ਕੂੜ ਸੂਰਮਾ ਝੂਠ Kaljug says this is the flag bearer of my army ਇਹ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ he comes first and he says ਮਰਦਾਨਿਆ ਇਹ ਤੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਦਾ ਜੇ ਕੂੜ ਆਊਗਾ ਕੂੜ ਲਾਲਚ ਛੱਡੀਏ ਉਹ ਇੱਕ ਮਨ ਅਲਖ ਤੇ ਆਈਏ ਇਹ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਛੱਡ ਦੇਣਾ ਸੰਗਤ ਦੀ ਧੂੜ ਲੈਵੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਮਸਤਕ ਲਾਵੀਂ ਇਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਲਾਲਚ ਕੂੜ ਛੱਡ ਦੇਣਾ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੂੜ ਸੂਰਮਾ ਇਹ ਅੱਗੇ ਪ੍ਰਧਾਨ ਹੋ ਕੇ as a flag bearer comes and then Maharji says who's that pradhan or who's that king it looks like they have a king too and he says hey Mo and that Mo is that Surma hai jit sur sangramam at balana bo mardana hai gan gandharv dev manukhyam pas pankhi bemon hai ine kisi nu nahi chhadya on the surface Khalsa ji Mo pulls your concentration entangles you with the world and at your heart ego sits to make sure you keep going through Janam Marana. Maharji says this. Hey, Janam Marana Moolam Ahankaram Papatma. First he starts with Mo and he ends with ego. But he says to everybody, Hey Prananath Govinda, Kripa Nidan Jagat Guru, Hey Sansar Taap Harana hai, Karna Samay Dukh Haro, Hey Saran Jog Dayal hai, दीना नाथ मया करो शरीर स्वास्थ्य हीन समय सिमरन नानक राम दामोदर माधव remember God Vaheguru 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 संगत करो धन श्री गुरु नानक देव जी दे नाम संगत करो साध संगत गुरु नानक देव जी अपने मन दे विच लेके आओ because we're part of his army Maharji wants us to fight against this Sena जिथे एक मोह खड़ा राजा ना Maharji से विवेक खड़ा करो अपने मन दे विच विवेक खड़ा करो पर पहले मन दे विच विचार लेके आओ because विवेक हजी कमजोर खड़ा तुहाडे मन दे विच He's weak. Take Maharji's shabad. Take Maharji's charan and अपने मन दे विच लाओ. Place it. देखो खालसा जी एक साखी तुहाडे ने अगे रखना जेड़ा राय बुलाए सी. राय बुलाए जगीर दासी had 22 parents under his control. He controlled Raipur की तलवंडी जिथे Guru Maharji दा अवतार होया. And when he laid his eyes on Guru Nanak Dev Ji as a child and there is a cobra giving shade to Guru Nanak Dev Ji. He said this is the creator himself. I want to be a Sikh of his. But people will say that a king going to a little child, let me wait. And ਜਦੋਂ ਸਮਾਂ ਬਣਿਆ, and Maharaj is set forth on his Udasiya, he says, no longer I want Guru Maharaj's charan on my head. And he sends Bhai Bala. He says, Bhai Bala, go get Guru Nanak Dev Ji. He loves you. Toda prem mod karda. And he brought Guru Nanak Dev Ji to Talwandi again. And he says, Rai Bular is crying. And he wants to meet you, Guru Maharaj Ji. And jadon Guru Nanak Dev Ji nu Rai Bular de ghar leke aaye na, Khalsa Ji, Maharaj Ji goes to grab his charan and he says, nahi, ek zulm nahi karna mere naal. Maharaj Ji, tusi ਇੱਥੇ ਬਰਾਜੋ and let me bring those feet of yours upon my head. He went and grabbed water. He washed Guru Nanak Dev Ji's feet. He took that Amrit and placed it in his mouth, placed it on his head, and he placed it on his eyes, and then he went into a trance of dismad. And nas church de vich chale gaya. And then he took Maharaj's feet and he says, I want more. And he places it on his head. And utte kinne chair vaste matha tekda reh gaya. Rai Bular, over 70 years of age now, has waited for this day that Maharaj sets forth on his travels, that I can call him back and take his charan and place it on his feet. And take his feet and place it upon my head. Khalsa Ji, Guru Nanak Dev Ji de charan mango. That's Naam. These are the same charan when they went to Sri Lanka into a garden of Shivnab. Into a garden of Shivnab where there was no Haryavalta, where there was no greenery. But Guru Nanak Dev Ji comes and ki ho gaya, sab kuch phul gaya. Everything flourished just by Guru Nanak Dev Ji's touch. And that's what Rai Bular is feeling. So in this season of Basant, in this time of Kaljug, what do? I say to you, become good farmers. And when you place that seed of Naam, now, the time is now, and you place it within your heart, watch, the Creator is going to water it himself. The Creator is going to water himself. Get up in Amrit Vela. Call to the Creator. Because Kaljug, the time of Kaljug is come. And ek naam bo 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 bo. 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 Ab kano aayo re. Ek naam bo 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 bo. Ab kano aayo re. Ek naam bo bo bo.
अब कलु आयो रे, अब कलु आयो रे, अब कलु आयो रे, अब कलु आयो रे। एक नाम गो रामकली महला तीजा आनंद एक ओंकार सतगुर प्रसाद आनंद पिया मेरी माए सतगुरु मैं पाया राग परवार परिया शब्द गावने आया ਸਤਿ